Hello everyone! Starting with Base44 can feel overwhelming, especially if you've never built an app before. But here's the thing. Base44 is actually built for beginners, and once you understand the basics, you'll be building apps faster than you think. Today, I'm walking you through a complete Base44 tutorial for beginners. We'll build a real form management dashboard using a template so you can see exactly how everything works. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use templates, customize them, and get your app live. Let's dive in. First step is creating your account. Go to the Base44 website and click Get Started. You can sign up with your email or use Google to sign in faster. I recommend starting with the free plan so you can learn without spending money. You get 25 message credits and 100 integration credits per month, which is plenty for learning. Once you're signed in, you'll see the home screen asking what would you build today. At the top menu, you have Apps, Integrations, App Templates, and Docs and Support. For this tutorial, we're going to use a template. Let's say you want to make a dashboard for managing forms. Maybe you need to collect customer feedback, event registrations, or contact information. Instead of building from scratch, you can use the FormForge template. Click on App Templates in the top menu and search for FormForge or browse until you find it. This template lets you craft beautiful forms effortlessly and comes with a complete dashboard already built. Click on the FormForge template and Base44 will clone it to your workspace. You'll see a notification saying App was cloned from FormForge. Now you're in the app builder looking at your new dashboard. Let me show you what you're looking at. At the top, you'll see the app name FormForge with buttons for dashboard, preview, share, and publish. The main screen shows the FormForge dashboard with a welcome message. Below that, you'll see 4 stat cards showing total form submissions today and active forms. Right now, they all show 0 because you just started. Under that is Quick Actions with 3 buttons. Create New Form lets you build a new form. Import from PDF lets you import existing forms. View All Forms shows all your created forms. At the bottom is Recent Forms, which will display your latest forms once you create some. This entire dashboard is functional right out of the box. The template includes everything you need to manage forms, but let's customize it to make it yours. First, let's rebrand it. Click on the FormForge heading at the top. You can change this to your business name like My Business Forms or Customer Feedback Portal. Change the tagline from Craft Beautiful Forms effortlessly to something that fits your use case like Collect and Manage Customer Responses easily. Now let's look at the navigation. You have buttons for Dashboard, Create Form, My Forms, and Settings. Click through each one to see what they do. Dashboard shows your overview stats. Create Form takes you to the Form Builder. My Forms displays all your forms. Settings lets you configure app preferences. All of this is already built in the template. Here's the powerful part. Click on the Data tab on the left sidebar. You'll see the database tables that come with this template. There's a Forms table that stores information about each form you create, like the form name, date created, and status. There's a Submissions table that stores all the responses people submit through your forms. And there's likely a Users table for managing who can access the dashboard. Click on the Forms table to see the fields. You'll see columns for form ID, form name, description, creation date, and more. This database structure is already done for you. You don't need to figure out how to organize your data. The template shows you the best way to do it. Now let's create a form. Click the Create New Form button in your dashboard. The template takes you to a form builder interface where you can add different field types. You can add text inputs for names, email fields for email addresses, text areas for longer messages, drop-downs for selecting options, checkboxes for multiple choices. Just drag and drop the fields you want. Let's say you're creating a customer feedback form. Add a text input for name. Add an email field for email address. Add a drop-down for how satisfied are you with options like very satisfied, satisfied neutral, unsatisfied. Add a text area for additional comments. Customize the labels and placeholder text for each field. Save your form. Now when someone fills out this form, the data automatically goes into your submissions table. The template handles all the logic. You can view submissions in the dashboard, see who submitted what and when, and export the data if needed. Let's set up a notification. Click on Automations in the sidebar. Create a new automation with the trigger set to form submission. Add an action to send you an email notification whenever someone submits a form. You can customize the email to include the person's name, their responses, and submission time. Save the automation, and now you'll get notified instantly every time someone fills out your form. The Styles panel lets you customize how everything looks. Click on any element like a button or heading, and the Styles panel appears. Change the colors to match your brand, adjust fonts and sizes. Update spacing and layouts. The visual editor makes this easy even if you've never designed anything before. Want to see how your app looks to users? Click the Preview button at the top. This shows you exactly what users will see and lets you test all the functionality. Try creating a form. Submit a test response. Check if it appears in your submissions list. Make sure the automation sends you an email. Testing before publishing is crucial. One important thing is understanding your credits. Message credits are used for sending emails and SMS. Every email notification uses 1 credit. The free plan gives you 25 per month. Check your usage in the billing section so you don't run out unexpectedly. When everything looks good and works properly, click the Publish button at the top right. Base44 generates a live URL for your app. Copy that link and you can share it with your team or customers. Your form management dashboard is now live and functional. If you want a custom domain like forms.yourbusiness.com, http://forms.yourbusiness.com/. Instead of the Base44 link, you'll need to upgrade to the Builder Plan or higher. Go to Settings, then Domains, and follow the instructions to connect your own domain. Here are my top tips for beginners using templates. First, explore every part of the template before changing anything. Click through all the pages and features to understand how it works. Second, check the database structure to see how data is organized. This teaches you best practices. Third, customize the branding and text to make it yours, but don't change core functionality until you understand it. Fourth, always test in preview mode before publishing. Fifth, use automations to save time on repetitive tasks like sending notifications. If you get stuck, Base44 has amazing support resources. Click on Docs and Support in the top menu. You'll find documentation with comprehensive guides and tutorials. A Discord community where you can ask questions and get help from other builders. You can open support tickets for personalized help. And there's a community forum on Reddit. Don't hesitate to use these when you need help. The beauty of using templates like FormForge is you're learning by doing. You see how a real functional app is built. You understand how databases, forms, and automations work together. You can reverse engineer it to learn, then apply those lessons to your own projects. Here's your action plan. Go to App Templates and find FormForge. Clone it to your workspace, explore the dashboard and all its features. Customize the branding, colors, and text. Create a test form with a few fields. Submit a test response and check if it saves. Set up an automation for email notifications. Preview everything and test thoroughly, then publish and start using it. The same process works for any template. Browse the template library, find something close to what you need, clone it, explore it, customize it, and publish it. Templates are your shortcut to building professional apps fast. Start with FormForge or another simple template. Get comfortable with how Base44 works, then try more complex templates or start building custom apps from scratch. Each project makes you better. The key is just to start. Don't overthink it. Clone a template, play with it, and publish something today. You'll learn more in 30 minutes of hands-on building than hours of watching tutorials. If this tutorial helped you understand how to use Base44 templates, hit that like button. Drop a comment and tell me what type of forms or apps you want to build, customer feedback, event registration, contact forms. And subscribe for more beginner-friendly tutorials where I show you exactly how to build real projects step by step. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.